Mars, the red planet, has long captivated our imaginations with its rusty red hues and desolate landscapes. While it may seem like a barren wasteland, Mars is far from lifeless. Over the years, scientists have made several interesting discoveries on this mysterious world, from strange rock formations to potential signs of ancient life. These are some of the most mysterious things found on Mars. Jelly Doughnut Rock. In the terrain of the Martian landscape, amidst a sea of rusty red rocks and strong winds, lies a weird geological formation known as the Jelly Doughnut Rock. This otherworldly feature, first spotted by NASA's Curiosity rover in 2012, has captured scientists and enthusiasts' curiosity alike with its strange donut-like shape and jelly-like consistency. Located in Gale Crater, an ancient lake bed on Mars, Jelly Doughnut Rock stands out from its surroundings like a misplaced celestial pastry. Its smooth, rounded shape, reminiscent of a jelly donut, measures approximately 40 centimeters in diameter and 10 centimeters in height. Its surface appears to be covered in a thin, translucent layer, giving it a jelly-like appearance. In 2015, Curiosity's ChenChem instrument analyzed the chemical composition of Jelly Doughnut Rock, revealing high concentrations of silica and manganese. This finding suggests that the rocks may have been formed from a silica-rich gel, similar to opaline silica deposits found on Earth. The exact composition and origin of Jelly Doughnut Rock remains a mystery, but scientists have proposed several hypotheses. Some believe it may be concretion, a type of rock formed when minerals precipitate from groundwater or hydrothermal fluids. Others suggest it could be remnants of an ancient volcanic eruption, perhaps formed by the cooling and solidification of lava. Artificial city on the face on Mars. The face on Mars lies in an area known as the Cydonia region, which falls between the planet's cratered southern highlands and the smoother northern plains. The Viking 1 orbiter captured an image of a formation in the Cydonia region that resembled a human face. This sparked widespread speculation about alien civilizations. Years later, high-resolution imaging showed that it was a natural rock formation, but it remains an iconic symbol of Mars exploration. In April of 1998, NASA's Mars Global Surveyor took more detailed images of the face. Other high-resolution images, subsequently taken by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter and the European Space Agency's Mars Express, revealed the original analysis of the image was correct. The suggestion of a face is an optical illusion revealed only as the light hits the surface and wells of the rocks at specific angles. Although NASA scientists quickly determined that the face was created by tricks of light and shadows, the imaginative public seized on the idea that it did not form naturally. Some people believe that the face is the remnant of an alien civilization, suggesting that other rocky outcroppings in the area may be a crumbling extraterrestrial city. Since 1976, the face has appeared in a number of popular cultural references, citing it as an indication of life on Mars at some stage of the planet's history. Books, movies, and televisions have all taken part in speculation on the true origin of the Martian rubble. In the 1980s, Richard Hoagland, a science journalist, took up the cause of the face on Mars in several books and numerous radio and TV appearances. In the scattered hills of Cydonia, Hoagland sees evidence of a ruined city and fort. He claims the city and the face are aligned in a way that may have, in the matter of Stonehenge, pointed to a place where the sun rose on the Martian solstice 500,000 years ago, which Hoagland takes to be when the face was made. Although the orientation has no meaning today, clearly, to Hoagland, this region on Mars is the result of a gigantic construction project by intelligent beings. But who were they? And why does the face look human? Hoagland has several theories. Perhaps evolution worked the same way on Mars as it did on Earth, and so the Martians looked human. Or maybe a previously unknown, technologically advanced civilization from Earth's distant past traveled to Mars, or, alternatively, an advanced Martian civilization came to Earth long ago, and we look like them. Or perhaps the face was built by some sophisticated extraterrestrial from beyond the solar system as a signal. Massive underground ice deposits. Massive underground ice deposits are some of the most mysterious and intriguing features of our solar system. These reservoirs of ice are found buried beneath the surface of Mars, Jupiter's moon, Europa, and Saturn's moon, Enceladus. They're thought to hold more water than all of Earth's ocean combined. The existence of these ice deposits was first suspected in the 1970s when scientists began to study the radar echoes from Mars. The echoes suggest that there was a large amount of ice hidden beneath the planet's surface. In the years since, scientists have used a variety of techniques to study these ice deposits, including spacecraft observations, ground-based radar, and computer modeling. The ice deposits on Mars are thought to be located in a variety of locations, including the polar ice caps, the mid-latitude permafrost, and the subsurface of the planet's volcanoes. The ice deposits on Europa and Enceladus are thought to be located in subsurface oceans. The discovery of these ice deposits has made a profound impact on our understanding of the solar system. They have raised the possibility that life could exist beyond Earth, and they have provided us with new clues about the history of our solar system. The ice deposits on Mars are particularly intriguing because they are thought to be relatively recent in origin. Some scientists believe that the ice deposits may have formed just a few million years ago, when Mars was a much wetter planet. If this is the case, then it's possible that the ice deposits could still harbor liquid water today. Lava tubes and caves. In the realm of space exploration and potential colonization, lava tubes and caves on Mars are mysterious geological features that have captured the imagination of scientists and explorers alike. These subterranean structures, formed by ancient lava flows, offer a glimpse into the red planet's volcanic past and hold the potential to reveal clues about its past or present life. One of the most intriguing aspects of Martian lava tubes is their potential to provide shelter for future human exploration. These natural caverns could shield astronauts from the harsh radiation and extreme temperatures of the Martian surface. Additionally, lava tubes may harbor water ice, a precious resource that could be used for drinking, growing plants, or even producing fuel. The search for Martian lava tubes is an active area of research, with scientists using a variety of methods to identify and study these potential hidden abodes. Orbital imagery and data from rovers like Curiosity have revealed numerous lava tube skylights, openings in the surface that provide access to the underground tunnels. Ground-penetrating radar and other geophysical techniques can also be used to map the subsurface and identify potential lava tube locations. The exploration of Martian lava tubes is not without its challenges. These underground environments can be dark, cold, and potentially hazardous, with sharp rocks, loose debris, and even underground cliffs, posing risks to robotic explorers. Additionally, the Martian environment itself presents challenges, with its thin atmosphere and lack of a magnetic field providing little protection from radiation. Despite the challenges, the potential rewards of exploring Martian lava tubes are immense. These underground structures offers a unique opportunity to study the geological history of Mars, search for evidence of past or present life, and potentially establish a foothold for future human exploration. Ancient organic molecules. Ancient organic molecules are molecules that contains carbon and hydrogen atoms that are more than 100,000 years old. They have been found in meteorites, comets, and interstellar dust. Organic molecules are the building blocks of life, and their discovery on Mars suggests that the planet may have once been habitable. The Curiosity rover, which has been exploring Mars since 2012, has found organic molecules in rocks that are 3 billion years old. This is the oldest evidence of organic molecules on Mars yet discovered. The discovery of these molecules suggests that Mars may have once had a liquid water environment, which is essential for life. The methane levels in the Martian atmosphere also fluctuate seasonally. This could be due to biological or geological processes. If the methane is being produced by biological processes, it would be a strong sign that life exists on Mars. However, It's also possible that the methane is being produced by geological processes, such as the release of methane from underground reservoirs. The discovery of ancient organic molecules on Mars is a significant finding that has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the planet. It's also a reminder of the vastness of the universe and the possibility that life exists beyond Earth. The mystery of ancient organic molecules is that we don't know how they're formed or what they mean for the existence of life on Mars. It's possible that they are remnants of ancient life, or that they were formed by non-biological processes. Further research is needed to determine the origin of these molecules and the implications for the possibility of life on Mars. Mars is a place of incredible mystery and intrigue. It holds clues about its past and its potential for life. As we continue to explore the Red Planet, we're sure to uncover more secrets and gain a deeper understanding of its place in our universe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated whenever I upload a new video. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comment sections below.